demonstration of our project, the garage. So as you can see, the whole point of this is it recognizes when a car approaches and automatically opens the door for them. Cue car. This will time out after a couple seconds, and then you can use a push button to open it for you. Again, it'll time out. At any time, you can also open these garages and close them at will. Notice how, for the Mercedes-Benz, it opens the garage corresponding to it, whereas the Humvee goes nicely into its spot. Also, we have trip sensors to where the garage door will not come down if there is something blocking the path. Once it goes in, the garage door closes.